Volumio Rivo Plus vs Eversolo T8. Which network streamer wins? If you're building a serious hi-fi system and already have a high-quality DAC, choosing the right network streamer can make a big difference in features and connectivity. So between the Volumio Rivo Plus and Eversolo T8, which one makes more sense? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Volumio Rivo Plus is a dedicated digital transport designed to feed an external DAC rather than handle digital-to-analog conversion itself. It offers USB, coaxial, AES EBU, and I2S over HDMI outputs, with I2S and USB supporting up to 32-bit, 768K HZ-PCM and DSD-256. It also supports Roon-ready Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, Kabas, AirPlay, and DLNA. The Eversolo T8 takes a more feature-packed approach. It has a 6-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi 6, Gigabit Ethernet, SFP fiber networking, USB audio, AES EBU, optical, coaxial, and I2S outputs. It also supports up to PCM 768K HZ, 32-bit and native DSD 512, plus up to 16 TB of storage through 2 external SSD slots. The Rivo Plus is smaller and simpler, making it attractive if you want a focused streaming transport with Volumio's software ecosystem. The T8 is substantially larger and heavier, but its screen, storage expansion, broader digital connectivity, and higher format support make it much more versatile. There are compromises on both sides. The Rivo Plus has no built-in DAC or display, so it relies on your existing system and app-based control. The T8 offers more hardware and functionality, but that also means a more complex and expensive device. Independent testing has also noted that the T8 lacks digital inputs and Chromecast. So which wins? If you want a compact, dedicated transport for an existing high-end DAC, the Rivo Plus is the more focused choice. If you want maximum connectivity, local storage, touchscreen control, and broader high-resolution support, the Eversolo T8 is the more versatile option. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which streamer you would choose.